Myntri Rangbah Jalla Miklaya Okonrat ke Sangma Ulapri Paidbah ya KCM Elevate program nin kasni hayang basa vivanta Shillong. Ha kasni Plie Paidbah ya KCM Elevate program Myntri Rangbah ulatmu ban pendenkam ban aikam aijam bat ban penkubori ke samla jong kan ke Jalla Rangbah kilat sengkam sengjam baper ya ka ba unget ba ka de ke jing penbej habaro kiliang ha ka ba de bat ke jing don kam ke babon. KCM Elevate program kadai ka jing penbej ke bakrau ya ka balapan wandor kat kum ke jing don kam baper jong ke nong snong kani ke Jalla.
Ladies and gentlemen, the launch of the CM Elevate web portal.
We need to develop the skills at the grassroots level. So you will also see that the Megalith Skills program and the MSSDS program that we're doing is also ensuring that we're mapping the investments we're making, the entrepreneurs that we're creating, the requirements that they have. We're supporting the different self-help groups to be able to support these entrepreneurs, feed them with the kind of products that they require. At the same time, we're looking at all of these industries, we're realizing these skills are required, and hence the MSDSS and other departments are looking at the skill aspect also to create the manpower and train them to be able to feed these industries.